boys and girls. I'm here to do today's journal. Since we ran out of time, we had a lot of stuff to cover today, so we never got to our journal, which is my favorite part. And I think you guys like it a lot too. So the first thing we put on our journal, everybody remember, is the date, right? So we're going to write the date real small at the top with a pencil. I think the last time we did journal, it was September. We were writing the number 9. But guess what? It's October, and that's the January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, and September. October, it's the 10th month. So I'm going to write the number 10, which is a 1 and a 0. And today is October 6th. So I'm going to write a 6, which we haven't learned yet. So just do your best. And another dash, and it's 2020. So we need a 2 and a 0. I'm going to give you a second to catch up. And remember, always remember, when you guys are watching a video, if one of us is going too fast for you, you just have to pause it and catch up and then hit play again. All right, so I'm going to tell you, this drawing was a little hard for me, so it might be a little hard for you. We're getting really artistic over here. Let me show you what to draw first. It's kind of like an open triangle. Kind of like an open triangle. And then, this is a little tricky, so watch how I do this. I'm going to go around like this. Ooh. I wonder if anybody can guess what this is yet. I think some of you probably will. I'm going to add some eyeballs. And a nostril. Have you guessed yet? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Something that starts with the letter A, ah. So it can't be a crocodile. Did you say alligator? Let's give him some teeth. There's my alligator's mouth. Now the body's a little tricky. I'm just going to try my best. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to kind of go up and around because he's got a tail. He's got a long, skinny body. My alligator's long and skinny. I'm going to add some spikes to his back because he's scaly. Doesn't really have, I wouldn't call them spikes. They're more like scales. And then some more scales on his body like this. And the feet are a little bit hard, but he's got feet that are low to the ground. So I'm going to go like that. That. Just add 4 little feet, 2 to the front and 2 to the back. I bet yours are going to look a lot better than mine. I think he looks like an alligator. He's like a cross between an alligator and a dragon. Boys and girls, what letter does alligator start with? A, right? So instead of writing the whole word alligator, let's just write a capital A and a lowercase a. It'll give us some practice. So remember, capital starts at the skyline, goes down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, skyline to grass line, pick up my pencil, fly across the plane line. And then lowercase, plane line, fly backwards, come down, touch the grass line, up and down. So I have a capital A and a lowercase a for alligator. Now, if you want a challenge, I want you to try to write alligator. It's a long word, but I know there's some letters in there that you might be able to hear. Alligator. So just write the sounds that you hear if you want to try to challenge yourself. Okay, and then hopefully maybe if one of you remind me tomorrow, we can share these alligators when you get on the Zoom call, because I really want to see them colored too. I don't have time to color mine right now on the video, but I think if I were to color him, I would make him green, maybe like a greenish brown color. Maybe I'll add some details. Maybe I want to add like the swamp that he lives in, the swampy area. So have fun coloring your alligator, labeling your alligator, trying to write the word alligator, giving him some details. And I can't wait to see them tomorrow.